Okay, if you ever wanted to know what hiking in the rain looks like in a forest, it looks like this. So the mosses are a little bit crispier, lichens are looking particularly handsome, and a few people, which I think is probably one of the main points. But the disadvantage is that when it really starts get going, the raindrops can turn off your video on your phone, which is new information. But it's lovely how green everything is. And for the most part, you can stop and do a video and you're not having people screaming behind you or doing things. So, having said that, there seems to be an awful lot of cars rolling by at Giant City State Park today. So, but anyway, those are some of the advantages. And of course, getting wet. I will say that it's about 71, which anyone from the West Coast knows that when it's raining here, it's often quite cold, or the mountains, where it can be quite, well, it might be snowing in Colorado at higher elevations, and like that. So, but it is June, which is not unusual to find it this warm in the eastern side of the United States. So I am just wearing a hat and a rain-resistant coat, and we're good. I mean, really not a lot of mud, because it's been not raining for a long time. So anyway, look how delightful the mosses are. But anyway, just a few thoughts.